Well, hello everyone. I hope that your day is going absolutely amazing whenever this video finds you. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Alyssa. It is so nice to meet you. I hope that you'll consider subscribing and hanging out with us. And if you are not new here, welcome back to today's video. I'm so glad that you're joining today. I'm so glad that you're always joining. I really love it. So as the title suggests, this is my collab kit with Amy from Simply Beautiful Plans. So if you follow myself and or Amy on Instagram, then you would have seen, or even on the Simply Beautiful Plans Facebook, which I highly recommend that you join, Amy and I have been hinting at and peeking this kit, and that we actually got to work on a collab together. So about a month and a half ago, I reached out to Amy and I was like, if you're ever looking to collab on a kit, let me know. I would love to work with you. And she was so cool and was like, yeah, let's do it. So we basically jumped on the horse that day. And over the next month and a half, we kind of slowly both worked on this kit. She gave me so much autonomy with this kit, and I am so grateful for her patience, because I hit like these little artistic ruts halfway through, and I was like, I don't know what to put here. I don't know what's good here. And whenever I got an idea and I was like, Amy, what do you think about this? Can I do this? Can I do the wash? And she was like, yeah, go ahead, you do it. And she was absolutely phenomenal to work with. So first of all, Amy, if you're watching this, thank you for letting me do this with you. I am so honored, and I am obsessed with how it came out. I love it so much. So for those of you who knew my past, I used to own a shop. My favorite part was always designing. I am by nature very creative. I'm musically creative, but I'm also artistically creative. Except I can't draw. Lord knows I cannot draw, but I loved to create kits. That's why I love to create YouTube videos, and why I love to plan weekly. I love to really play with things. So that always brought me so much joy. And so her allowing me and sitting down with me and creating this kit just made me so incredibly happy. But yeah, so I'm going to go through this kit and I'll kind of talk about the little pieces that she let me work on and just the experience with it. I thought that might be a really fun video. But before I start, this kit will come in 4 foils. She is pre-stocking it. By the way, I am sitting by the sun, and I thought that the little bit of added light from in front would allow you to see more of the foil. So I chose this time to do it on purpose. This was not an accident. So yeah, it'll come in copper, which is what this color is. This is the copper foil. It'll come in rose gold, it'll come in silver, and it'll come in light gold as well. This is one stock, so it is limited at first. However, if there is a secondary stock, she might open up more foils. However, we both kind of decided that this kit would look amazing in these 4 foils, as it's kind of pulls in all of the different foil elements, and they look great in all 4 foils. I just really like it in copper. It would look so pretty in the silver because it pulls out those cooler tones, and then you have that light gold and the gold. Either or will look great because you've got the gold, the yellowy tones will be pulled out from the gold, and then that light gold will kind of really soften off those yellow tones and kind of give it a mix of that cool and light. For some reason, I'm loving copper right now for autumn. So let's jump into what the kit looks like. So these are the full boxes, and Amy really kind of just let me go wild with the full boxes. I got to create some of the foil elements and really kind of played with them. I love how it turned out. And I remember sending her photos on Instagram being like, I don't know what to put in this box. I don't know what to do here. What color do you think it should be? And she was just laughing. It was amazing. I love it. And she was so encouraging through the whole process, which I really enjoyed. All right, we have some half boxes and quarter boxes. And then you have, of course, Amy's signature little hanging lights. And I love that she pulled these flowing leaves. She also let me play with the washi and the date covers. And so she actually pulled in all of these little flowing leaves. And when I kind of popped down the flowers, I was like, let's do like flying leaves, because here in Canada, that's basically what you see in the autumn, is you see flowing leaves. It starts to get cold. It was kind of cold last week, but it went up to 26 today and we have a heat warning. So I don't know where I'm at in terms of like clothing, because I went from wearing jean overalls this morning to short romperalls today. So who knows? But I love how this turned out. Thank you, Amy, for letting me really play with that. And then you also have the florals, and she's also doing an add-on floral page as well. So make sure to follow her so you'll see the progress of that. And then she also let me play with some of the headers. Look how beautiful that is. And then look how cute this is. She did such a great job. I love how she pulled in those flowing leaves here too. All right, so that is the kit. And again, you'll be able to grab, I believe she said she's gonna work on a full page of florals as well. That means you can have these florals and then another full page of all flowers, which is awesome. So cute. And there you are. So that is the kit. Again, this is in copper. It looks absolutely amazing. I love it. I think for when I would use a kit like this, for me, autumnally, I tend to use kits that are like airy and lighter at the beginning of September, because it kind of pulls in those floral elements from summer, like late summer, kind of like early autumn. And then I tend to go darker as October, the end of October, November hits. That's when I start pulling out like the jewel tones and those darker kits, those like cozier kits almost. But really excited. Amy and I will be doing a collab video using this kit. So we'll both be doing a spread with this kit and posting together. So keep your eyes open. That'll probably be in the next month and a half or so. We kind of just worked on this at our own pace. Because when we started, I was finishing up my exams, and she has a family with 2 boys, and I know she has such an awesome summer with them. So we were just kind of working at our own pace and doing our own thing. And I love how we took all that time, and this really came out so beautifully. So again, thank you so much, Amy, for letting me work on this with you. Like I said, I could do this all the time. This is so much fun. So if you guys get the chance, I recommend that you pick it up. This will be coming out tomorrow. So if you're watching this on the night that it comes out, it'll be coming out on Thursday. And then that'll be the first round of release. And if people want more, then I guess she's gonna do a restock and do a second round of release with potentially more foils if they match. So that is that. I hope you love this kit. I certainly do. And I can't wait to see it in your hands, in your planners. And please tag me and please tag Amy when you post them. I really want to see it, and I'm very excited. Have such an amazing time, guys. Stay warm, stay cool, and I will see you soon. Bye.